Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to integrate a website with Google Search Console. This is the website I want to integrate. First, copy the domain name of the website. Go to your Google Search Console account. If you have multiple properties or websites added, click on this list and hit Add Property. This window will show up. For easy website ownership verification, go with URL prefix instead of domain. Now paste your domain name here and hit continue. A new ownership verification window pops up. Now download the file just like that. The verification HTML file is downloaded to your computer. Now you need to upload it to your website. To do so, go back to your host. In my case, my website is hosted on Hostinger. I need to click on websites, then locate my website. Ben's testing website, it's this one. Click on dashboard. This is my file manager application inside Hostinger. As you see, you should not upload your verification file here. Instead, download it inside public HTML folder. Now click on this upload icon, click on file, and this is my HTML file downloaded to my website. Now go back to Google Search Console and hit verify. Wait a moment. And as you can see, my ownership is verified successfully. Sometimes the verification fails. All you need to do is to wait a moment, for example, a minute, and retry verification, because Google sometimes makes mistakes. Click on go to property. And this is how to integrate your website with Google Search Console. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.